Alrighty, gang. Good morning once again. Today is February 1st, 2026, Sunday. Now, we're going to see what the NASDAQ is doing, NASDAQ 100, and what we can expect for next week. Before I start, I got my disclaimer in place. And subscribe, people. It's absolutely free. We don't charge anything. And it could be relevant at the time to take a position. These are very good analysis of the market, and you can use it as a part of your trading system. All right, and it's free. Give me a like, subscribe. It's free. All right, here we go, people. Let's get to the Nasdaq 100. All right, last video, what we did was, what do we see? What do we see? Let me release the brakes on identify here. Impulse, retracement. We see that the price did not cross above this level. So that tells me the movement most likely will be to the downside. Let's see it. This is what we saw on the last video. If you want to see it, look it up. I do it every week. Impulse retracement. We can see, well, let me put this retracement here because I have like 10. I'm going to burn this computer just like the other one. I have a lot of NT5 and all the platform rocking in here. Okay. This is what I do every day. I have nothing to do, people. All right? I've been doing this for a while. Let me say this here. I said it before. When some of you were babies crawling on the floor, I was drawing lines in here. Let me tell you why. My son is 36 years old. I started trading in 1990. At that time, there were no computers. We had to buy the charts for Chicago Board of Trade because I was doing commodities. He was crawling on the kitchen, on the floor when I was drawing these lines. So I'm not a new jack on the block. All right. That's why sometimes I get excited with the bullshit I see everywhere, just to have a sense of what I'm doing. Okay, so we saw the cross here, the cross here, the cross here. The trade is moving to the downside. Actually, it tried to go up last week, never made it. So the idea is still holding. Then this movement is going to the downside. You can actually see it here. All right, this happened. Now let's see our system. This is what we saw last week. Now, will this continue to go to the downside? Let's see our standard deviation. Boom. Yeah. This movement could reach down here. Now, let me see in half an hour. It's bouncing. It's bouncing at this level here. All right. Can it go up or will continue to go down? Now, watch this here. What do we see here? Impulse. This was corresponding to that new with the dollar. This again is an anomaly. Boom. All right. Now let's see it. Object. Fibonacci retracement. And you cannot make this shit up, people. Enter once into the golden radio. Let me mark it. Once, twice, thrice. 3 times bouncing on this. So this is a relevant area of support. There is a possibility that this move, jump back into this area, okay? According to what I see. This is 1 month standard deviation. This is 2 month standard deviation. It's stopped in the middle of the channel here. This movement was going up, pulled back to area of support. So the most logical move is to engage to the upside. Can it break below and reach this area? Hell yeah, everything could happen. But as far as I can see right now, I see that this movement, there is a chance that it move to the upside. At the same time, we see the gold moving to the upside, meaning the dollar is dropping. So these have high probability to move to the upside. Now, let's bring our trend analysis. Trend to the upside, pull back, buy, pull back, buy, pull back. I will wait just like the gold. It's just exactly the same movement as the gold. I will wait for this to complete and buy. Can this continue to go down? Yes, it could go down. But the main trend, the main force is to the upside. Pull back in 4 hour, pull back just like it did here, people. It's a repetition. If the situation did not repeat, trading will be impossible. It is always a repetition of patterns. There are patterns of candle, there are patterns of cycle. The market move in cycles and in oscillation. All right. A larger time frame is a larger cycle. And within that larger cycle, the oscillations are inside. That's how you do analysis from the top down. All right. You identify the main trend. In this case, is the daily chart. Sometimes I go to the weekly. Let's see what it's doing. Weekly moving to the upside. Can you see it? Daily chart moving to the upside. 4 hour chart. This is the pullback. You see it right here. Now in 1 hour, I will wait for the pullback to complete and buy. That is older than water. I'm not inventing anything here. So at this point, I will wait for a buy signal on the NASDAQ 100 next week. All right. Let's bring out our polynomial channel, see what it tells us. All right. Polynomial channel is similar to standard deviation, but we had the ability to adjust the angle that make the lines closer to the price. Let's see what we see. 1440, this is 2 months. Oh boy. It's pulling back down. Let's see half an hour. Pull back. Beautiful. Pull back, right? The 2 month channel is telling me this shit is going down, all right? If everything remains the same. So what I believe will happen is two things. One, the market open. Every time the market open, do two things. One, bounce down for a while and then go up and then go down. All right. So what we see here, we have a heavy support here. Can you see it? From down here, this is 1 month of data. This is the 1 month low here. 1 month low. Let's bring it up. This is only 1.6. Let me bring the standard deviation 2.6. If you ever work with standard deviation, you know there is 1.6, 2.6. But also in Forex, we add one, which is 3.6, which is the extreme, the most extreme part. Can you see it? Crystal clear. This is a support area. Impulse retracement back to support area in the direction of the 30-day trend. We cannot ignore that. All right. So my conclusion, based on what I see, I will wait for a buy signal in the XDX US Tech 100. Crystal clear to me. Will it happen? I don't know. Let's see what happens. All right, again, this is my view of the NDX. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like so my channel goes up, being placed in more people. And have a nice weekend. See you guys around and good luck this next week. Alrighty, bye.